Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit, and today I will be sharing with you what I picked up during the Sephora VIB haul. And if you would like to see how I spent my money, then keep watching. So the first product that I picked up was by Milk Makeup, and it is a setting powder. It is the Unifier Plus Fixer Loose Setting Powder, and I picked up the shade Translucent Medium, and this is what the product looks like. It is 25 grams, and it looks like it's a good under eye setting powder, so I will be using that today. And I did pick up quite a few of other Milk Makeup products, so I'll be using them all together. The next item that I picked up was also by Milk Makeup, and it is their Hydro Grip Primer. And I am dry skin. I do have dry skin, and so I picked up this primer because it is also hydrating. And this is what the packaging looks like. I see everyone talking about this primer and how good it is, so I decided to try it out for myself. And I also picked up the Milk Makeup foundation. I picked up the shade Toffee. Now I went on the website foundation.com and I entered the shades that I use in Fenty, MAC, and a few drugstore foundations, and they recommended the shade Toffee. But I did open this and swatch it, and this is a little bit too red for me, so I believe I'm going to try it out on my skin just to see, because I just did a quick swatch. But I will go and exchange it if I think it's a little too red for me. And I believe the next shade down is Cinnamon, but sometimes with foundations this could be red, but then the next shade could be a little too golden or a little too neutral or a little cool. So depending on how it looks on my skin, I may go and change that foundation. And then of course I picked up the Milk Makeup concealer as well. I picked up the shade Tan. Now the concealer is it is a good match for me. It matches my skin perfectly. I did swatch it and it just blended very beautifully into my skin. However, I typically like my concealer to be a little bit lighter. So it's because it matches so perfectly, I want to go just a shade lighter for my concealer. And something a little different, I did pick up I picked up the Jouer Soft Focus Hydrate Set Powder, and this is the packaging, and this is what the product looks like. I've always wanted to try some products by Jouer, so I decided to pick this up. And because it is a hydrating setting powder, which I need for my under eye, which are very, very dry, and I'm sitting away from the camera right now because my under eyes are absolutely trash. They are so dry and wrinkly and creasing. So I will be trying this under eye setting powder by Jouer, and I picked up the shade Dark. The next product that I picked up was by Farsali, and is their Rose Gold Skin Mist. And I see everyone talking about this skin mist and how great it is and how they use it almost every day. And I do have a Farsali, they're 24 karat gold drops. the first one that they came out in the white packaging. I do have that and I like it. I don't use it very much, but I do have it and I like it. So I decided to pick up their rose gold skin mist, and it has a 24 karat gold flecks in it. So just a good item to try. I'll probably be using this this weekend. I have a trip to go on, so I want to see how it plays out and test it before I come on camera and try it out. And the last item, I didn't pick up very much this time during the sale. I picked up the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and it is hydrating and glowing. So this is the packaging. Now I thought that this was a little bit larger because of the photos on Sephora, and I do see that it looks like it has actual watermelon inside. So I mean, it is 2.54 fluid ounces, so it is a little larger than the Farsali skin mist, but the Farsali skin mist, it is setting. This is just hydrating and gives you a little glow and radiance. So I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to keep this. I'm going to try it out on my skin to see how I like it, or if it's, you know, complementary to my skincare routine. So I will come back on camera later on in another video to let you know how I like this skin mist. So that is everything that I picked up during the Sephora VIB sale. And if you would like to see how any of these products played out for me and how I am liking them, I will be doing a review of the products, and I'll be doing a full face, of course, using all the Milk products, the foundation, the primer, the concealer, the setting powder, and then I'll also use the Farsali skin mist, and I'll also use the Jouer setting powder as well on my face. So if you want to see how I create a look using those products that I purchased during the Sephora VIB sale, like this video and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. And I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.